Hello everyone, and welcome to this 11th devlog video of my game Treasured, a temple raiding, museum building, co-op puzzle game. In these devlogs, I try to get the game in a state I can publish to Steam. So subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the progress and wishlist the game to know when early access begins. This week was all over the place. Remember when I said this? I will give you an update about the optimizations in next week's devlog. Yeah, that didn't happen. Yet. This did happen, but more on the roadmap later. At the start of the week, I have created maps. No, not those maps, data maps. Like this one. This is of course just a visualization of data, but data nonetheless. This is needed for my generation to make sense. Plants grow where water is, rubble lays where rubble lays. I started by creating a chunk system with smaller grids. Every grid has different maps. A mask which shows whether a tile on the grid needs data or not, a height map for other maps to use, a moisture map which shows where water is and thus where foliage can spawn, and lastly a destruction map. This map shows where rubble and other broken brick things will go. Every map shows different colors. This represents the value. Black means a low value and white means a high one. I can now spawn objects on a position with a high value. Although, not this week. Development progress has been a bit slow this week. I really need to step it up next week. Although, I doubt that will happen, since the results of my graduation will come in then. Maybe it will be a party, maybe I will cry. We'll see. Even though the development has been a bit slow, other things need to happen as well. You see, when you want to create a game, you also need to think about marketing. This includes creating videos, websites, roadmaps, and analyzing the channel. My god, the channel has 160 subscribers now? When I uploaded last week's video, it was 113. Just this week, the channel grew about half what the channel was before. That is insane. Not only that, but the see-through walls tutorial has over 1,000 views. The first video to hit this milestone. You guys are awesome. Visuals equal likes really pays off. Let me quickly create a mockup for Screenshot Saturday to keep this subtrain going. As I said before, creating a website is key to marketing. When people want to know more about your game, they need a place to find it. Of course, you can also find it on Steam, but more pages increase the chance of people finding it. So, I remade the entire website. Again. This probably isn't its final form, but at least it looks a lot better than before, in my opinion. I just need to add more content, pages, and I need to optimize it for mobile. Yeah. When the website is done and live, I will let you guys know. As you can see from the website and the teaser at the start of the video, I have created a roadmap. Some of you might have guessed what is on the roadmap, since all of these items have either been prototyped or talked about in previous devlogs, but the roadmap is mainly for new members of the community. When levels can be generated, gameplay features are implemented, the museum starts levels and menus are added, I can test, do the last bug hunt and release the game to Steam. As you can see, that will take some time. I have been thinking about the testing before the early access release. I might want to give patrons the opportunity to help out. Let me know what you think about Patreon and the rate you would pay to get access to the before early access testing. Beat? I would really like to know your insights. When the game is released on early access, I will create a new roadmap, as content and features will be added during this period. Maybe I can tease player customization for this roadmap? I don't think I will yet. What I will do is take this opportunity to copy Linus' tech tips and segue to the self-promotion. If you want to stay up to date on the progress, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord server, and follow me on Twitter. If you liked the video, like the video, and if you didn't, dislike it. Please be honest. YouTube liked your rating nonetheless. Leave a comment with any ideas, suggestions, or feedback. It always helps. Be sure to leave your opinion on the pinned comment. I will be thankful. That is it, guys. I hope to see you next week. Take care.